Wow. I went to Jamaica. Yeah, that's nice. Jamaica's nice. I got stopped at customs. The lady thought I was high. You know, she's like, "Are you bringing any drugs into Jamaica?" I was like, "Drugs into Jamaica?" That's like bringing Slim Fast to Ethiopia. So I live in Brooklyn too. Yeah. Oh yeah. Brooklyn's nice. People don't appreciate it, man. There's so much cultural stuff there. Like I was walking through the park today, I see this old man doing Tai Chi. I'm like, that's beautiful. But then I look closer, it's not an old man doing Tai Chi, it's one of those heroin guys that never falls over. So, yeah, so no more smoking weed for me. That's done. I was very unproductive when I did. I used to get high and watch pornos, you know, yeah, foreign ones, you know, watch like the German ones, put them in slow motion. Everybody sounds like Arnold Schwarzenegger. Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah, heavy dog. Oh, super duper in the lederhosen. Oh yeah. Smack ass. Then I watch the Chinese ones, put them in fast forward. That is entertainment, you know. Who did that? Who did that? Wash my name. So I'm gonna go back to Brooklyn, you know. I love my neighborhood. There's a lot of Jamaicans in my neighborhood, and I see this phenomena. Jamaicans here? Yeah. I see a lot of Jamaican ladies taking care of little white kids. I'm like, that's a bad plan. That's going to backfire. The mom's going to come home one day, "Johnny, eat your broccoli." "Me don't want this blood clot broccoli. Me want the beef patty and some red stripe." "Johnny, I'm going to get your father. Me not scared that white boy." Lord of mercy. I'm DC Denny.
Next up, the Apollo Kid Star of Tomorrow.